What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you guys a quick tutorial on how I do my top knot with baby hairs. First, I like to start off by brushing out any knots or tangles that I may have in my hair. Then I go in with a gel or a pomade or just whatever I have available at home, and I'm going to distribute this all over my hair. And when I'm done with that, I like to pull all of my hair up and add some to the back. To slick everything back, I'm going in with a hard bristle brush and I am just smoothing everything into a ponytail. As I'm holding all of my hair up in the ponytail, I like to pull out any baby hairs or loose hairs that I want to leave out. Going back in with my brush, I am brushing out any tangles or knots. And for this particular style, you don't want to over twist your ponytail. So I twist maybe once and then I start wrapping it around, leaving the bottom half of my ponytail loose. And as you can see, as I'm wrapping, it kind of covers the whole bun from my scalp to the top, creating that nice smooth looking top knot. Also, I like my bun to look slimmer at the base, so as I'm wrapping the ends of my hair, I pull tighter and tighter. Now I am just securing my bun with a few bobby pins so that it doesn't move. Now that our bun is secured, I am going in with a comb to comb down any loose baby hairs and going back in with the same gel just to lay them all down. And I do prefer a pomade when laying my baby hairs, but I don't have any with me at the moment, so for the sake of this video, we are just going to use this gel. And that is how I achieve this very cute top knot bun with baby hairs. I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick and easy tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.